Hey guys, today let's learn how to do a poll on Facebook. So if you guys want to go ahead and create your own poll on the Facebook application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application. And once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on the plus sign icon right next to the create story options. As you see, we do have that right here on our create story option. Just go and tap on this. You're gonna have the option to basically record your own video or proceed with posting anything that you want to post on your story. Now in this case, I'm just gonna choose maybe a random photo that I have on here. I'm gonna choose maybe this photo right here. Next, what I want to do is to go ahead and go on to these stickers option. I'm gonna talk upon these stickers icon and I'm gonna choose the option called poll. And once we're here, we could basically go ahead and ask a question on this poll and proceed with also choosing the choices that we have over here and providing also another choice on the other end. And basically proceeding with placing this poll on any part of with this screen, and just go ahead and tap on share to share this to your story. And then, of course, people who view your story could answer the poll, and you could also view these story answers from that poll on your story viewers, as you guys could easily do a poll on Facebook. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.